Today we're going to be giving Marduk a bit of a turbo adjustment. So why don't you come in closer, take a look at the schematic, see what we're going to be doing today. The current circuit is just a simple loop around a 12-volt car battery. We've got our power switch right here with its little light, our fuse box, and then we have all our loads, the pedal, the armpits, and the lights, all getting a nice 12 volts. But with the new addition, things will be getting a little more complicated. We will be having 2 loops, one go with the lights, having a 12 volts. I'll roll around here. Then we'll have a second circuit, which does 2 car batteries in series, which will provide the 24 volts. And we have our power button, and we have our power switch right up here, so that when it is disconnected, it breaks the whole series circuit. And we have a diode right here, that way the secondary battery doesn't fly back through the lights and try to power everything else. So we've got a 2-circuit setup. So let's see about installing it. Alright, so we have everything consolidated. We got our 12 volt ground right here, all the lights and accessories and stuff. And we've got the 24 volt ground, which will be right here. And now we hook up our 24 volt ground to battery number 2's negative terminal. I need to get some better connectors for these batteries at some point. And we hook up the 12 volt ground to the positive terminal of our second battery. There we go. Now everything's all set, so let's see how she performs. And of course the steering. So, there you have it. Marduk now runs a lot faster. Maybe better for a fight. So the only thing I gotta do is clean up the back, put the batteries in a nice proper place, and I'll be happy. So if you do like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share with others, and keep pushing the limits on random crap today. Bye-bye.